Welcome to this tutorial for GroundBreakCRM. Today, we will cover the inventory and quoting modules within the iPad application and how easily it communicates with your GroundBreakCRM installation to provide the data you need when you need it. GroundBreakCRM, developed by Atcore Systems, is the application designed by sales representatives for sales representatives. We have been in the CRM business for over 20 years. Most CRM applications are, in reality, management reporting tools. It is very important for sales managers to forecast revenue, maintain a history of important conversations with customers, and ensure smooth transitions during changes to the sales staff. While still meeting those critical needs, this application was designed by asking ourselves one question: what can we provide to sales representatives, particularly people in the rental business, to bring in more revenue? This means that we really understand not just the equipment sales and rental business. We understand the challenges companies face with rolling the application out to people who are used to working with a pen and paper. It's not an application that was designed for tech-savvy sales representatives and then adapted to an altogether different industry. It was freshly built from the ground up while taking all of these factors into account. Using GroundBreakCRM, rental inventory can be updated from your rental system several times throughout the day to ensure up-to-date information. Let's have a look at what GroundBreakCRM can do for you. First, go ahead and load the GroundBreakCRM application on your iPad. If this is your first time using the application, then you will need to enter the application's URL as well as your login credentials. Once done, tap Login at the bottom right. Do keep in mind that after this initial entry of login information, you will not be asked for it again. Once the application loads, you will see the home screen by default. Since we are focusing on the inventory module, locate and tap on the inventory icon at the bottom of the screen. By default, the inventory module loads with the data entered in your last session. If this is not your first time using the app, then you will see some data. Otherwise, the subpanels will be empty. Going over the inventory screen, we see the search results subpanel at the top left, your search history in the bottom left, and the inventory details on the left side. You can quickly search for inventory by name, description, or product code. Our first search will be for a scissor lift. So let's enter scissor into the search box and then tap return. Just a quick note, on the bottom left side of the screen, you will see a search history of recent searches. This feature makes it very simple to go back to a recently found item. All you have to do is tap on the search item to display the results again. Now, we are interested in a 20-foot electric scissor lift, so go ahead and tap on the item 20-foot scissor electric. It will then populate the inventory module's details subpanel to the right with the item's book, rental rates, and availability by store. We are able to create a quote for this item very easily. Locate and tap on the menu button at the top right of the screen. It's the red box with the white arrow pointing to the right. Now tap Create Quote. There are items that are required when creating a quote. Enter a name in the quote subject box. Select the date that the quote expires by tapping the Valid Until box and selecting the month, day, and year, then tap Done. Now we need to select a team. Tap on the Team box. Here you can search for a team. Simply start typing and the live search will pull results. Select your team from the list. I'm going to go ahead and stick with Global. The next item that we will look at is the billing account name. Tap on the Billing Account Name box and begin typing an account name in the box. I'm searching for Allied Products, so I will enter ALL in the search box. Once the results have populated the box, tap on Allied Products and the accounts data will fill the boxes in the billing subpanel. Keep in mind that adding an account is not necessary and can be omitted when you need a quick quote. Scrolling down a bit farther, we can see that the product fields have already been populated since the quote was created from the inventory screen. In some cases, a customer may only want to know the daily, weekly, and 4-week price. If that is the case, you do not need to enter any quantities. If the customer does wish to know the exact price, you can add the quantities. To do so, double tap on the product. In the window that pops up, you can change the item number, the rates, the quantities, or delete the item entirely. We will just add a weekly quantity of 2 and then tap Save. Once quantities are added, the price for the quote will adjust automatically. Scrolling down a bit farther, we see the Totals box. Each company can create defaults for delivery and pickup charges, environmental fees, and insurance rates. They can also be entered or changed manually for each quote. We will go ahead and save this quote and then send it to an account. Once the quote has been saved, we will see the results. Tap on the menu button at the top right and then tap Email Quote. As we can see, the document from the email contains all of the data that was created in the quote. The email is sent from within GroundBreakCRM, and it, in addition to the actual quote template, can be easily customized by a GroundBreakCRM administrator. So that's it. GroundBreakCRM is an excellent solution for your equipment sales, equipment rentals, account management, and sales representative management. We are excited to assist you with this groundbreaking CRM application and look forward to working with you. For more information, head to groundbreakcrm.com.